This is Jamaica Good Life. So with that, back at it again. You know, we eat some food and do some sleeping, you know.
Yeah, man.
And now we're going to the city. We sleep, me feel good, you know.
You feel that with the fight, man.
We lose a couple of things in our life, but we continue, you know what I say? We're not going to buy a corner, but how much for them corner there? They look nice, yeah. So the purpose for this show is to show you regular people, Jamaican people. Them call this a garrison. Would they call this a garrison? Not totally.
In a lesser sense.
In a lesser sense. The purpose is to show you Jamaican people now, what Jamaican people just live them life.
I like it, I want to mix us up.
Don't move, you know, buy the thing, man. It's good for you, you know, kill the cancer. You see how your belly big like my one, that's from there. You cut down your belly fat.
They have different ones.
I love it, man. So how much for this? Wait for me. Eh? What?
Thief.
They want teeth, why?
Big man, no man like them, you now all this.
Okay.
You want the quick money?
Are they lime there?
Yeah.
We have lime at the yard?
I think so.
We have lime? We don't make no lemonade. We can make some lemonade. We can make some lemonade.
I
later.
love man, man. Me a break, man.
Are you move the scale down, man?
Nah, man, you're good, man.
We don't do half thing, you know. We're full.
If I used to say everything good.
You do, yeah.
How much that?
How much it go?
Alright, go on, make it stay at 3, bro. See that?
Yeah. How much a pound for Jamaican Kings? Me not have a regular man, you know. Because when you sell something to me...
me, that's the pound for still.
But you have to deal with me differently.
Alright, like that, give me 650 then. 750 that now, give me 650.
We give you 6.
Alright.
That sound good?
But that's not maintain a balance.
Yeah.
You can't give yourself balance.
Come to tell us, my boss. If me tell us, I'm married, me come from. Yeah, I'm married pint and Negril pint now. I come at the nether pipe, you know, my friend. That's a pint. That may I tell you.
So now, why you choose for this and not crime?
Yeah? Alright, my boss, respect.
Why you choose to do this and not crime?
Because I see this as a better way than probably going to give them my life. I always say, if you're dead a year time, but
yeah.
I'm rather dead and sell something. Big bad thing there.
Yeah, man, we really appreciate it, man. Cut
Me
me.
need to look over my back down, everything good, you see me? Yeah, man, just pray and chant, you see?
We love what you do, man.
We rate him, man.
Yeah, man, we rate you, man. We come back to you and get some things,
You
alright?
not have to spend money till we gone, man.
Yeah, man, respect.
Alright, look a bit, sorry.
Later.
Nah, step out upstairs. Get on back for something, Nick. Get on back now, man. Yeah, where you land go?
I'll put this out first, but we can't give you one.
Hey, you're the on it, you know. You're the on the machine. The world know about you now, and you not even know. Done. Tell us, I'm going to make them know, say you do the good. You see, deal with king thing differently. Make the world know, say you do the good. Yeah. Randy Passenger, SaveJamaica.com. About 300 video up. So you are going up on the
Wait, what's your name?
Randy Passenger.
Passenger?
Yeah.
P-A-N-T?
P-O-T-T-I-N-G-E-R. Alright? So we do a film called Jamaica Good Life. I promote the good. Got too much bother.
Yeah, man. I do all that there. Oh, yeah, sir. I top his skin and beard top, my friend. If you bust this show, you can't believe. That one, yeah.
I mean, get the one there too.
And that one, yeah, I bang still.
How much for you, man?
Get 3. How much for each?
That one, there are 2 bills, you know, and that one, there are 250 still. And I can get that one for 150 all over 2 bills. Then 2 you have 2 bills. And this is 250.
You know, so I go to Manchester right now. And we grow them drop off on tree and we step on them.
But not them type, yeah, my friend. A pair over pair, you know.
We step on them things in Manchester, you know.
How much you want?
3, how much you care?
That will be 650, you know, but give me 600, doesn't it?
I'm gonna give you 5, man, because you're alive, man. You have to survive,
The man's
man.
killing you, man.
You must be strive, man.
No, but they be a hot bread.
A $5, we're gonna come back to you.
Put them on back.
You make enough your dream come true, you know, my lad.
Nah,
You
man,
see what you do.
give me
Right, you see what you do, yourself. 550, lick him down with the 550.
Alright.
Manchester, we walk on this, you know.
Yes, sir, Robin.
The Robin Pattinger is in here.
Randy.
Randy.
Yeah.
I-N-D right there.
Rondie. Hey, the man is tough, you know. Him tough, you know. Him hard to deal with, you know. Because him knows that in Manchester, we walk on them period.
Not them type, my friend. So, water one.
We are telling my grandmother never plant them type here. A 14 picnic
So
she
you want to
have.
see how far I'm going for them pair? Because me alone supposed to have pair, so no.
Yeah.
Then if you did a Manchester, they would have got feet.
Okay, Miss Way I say. So you say peer no they won't know.
It is there where they but it a going now. Yeah, the best time make it.
But you make about that. You make a good. You probably make a good 500,000 a day, you know, my lad.
I drew a woman from Klein and no come there so. Wicked and terrible.
With them
I'm
food.
sorry, all the people them and thing.
How would that?
So she drive through, she have everything.
No man, she think she a come tonight. $200.
Alright, look at it over.
Yeah.
My lad, you're the part of the crew. You see them gonna see you, alright? Give thanks. That's why we support.
Spend the money with us.
Yeah, but yeah. Alright, but watch ya. I'll show you something. Kevin Dale with him. But me a barber still not trim up so but things she really up. Yeah. I'll show you something.
The pineapple, yo, we're gonna cook a soup one day.
What?
So you said the lady will come tonight. What time? About what time she comes?
9 nights she'll come and go out the place a man. When in there upon in 2 in the man and he hears.
So him stay throughout the night?
Yeah. Alright, see that Kevin Dale with him. You know you can read and do it.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you see it? And plus me a barber. I show them people. You have to them to cut out. Sorry about that. Tell me a long time. I soon come back already. Yeah, man.
So what time is it she'll come about?
She'll come? In the night, you know tonight.
So what time them not close on us?
Yeah man, they close now, but me going down to the shop and the workplace.
So what she'll bring?
All kind of things.
And when she'll go sell it? Tomorrow morning?
Yeah, and dry through the week.
What time?
But she don't morning. No, she rent the place to this and
Okay. What
and
time?
when she wake up.
So we can come out 8 in the morning and get some?
Yeah man.
We know we know.
Dana.
We know what. We know what. We know what. We know what. Tell her I get some.
Yeah.
We know. I look past the rest for the Mr. Come in, but so we have things.
Alright.
Come in.
Give thanks.
Come on.
Why? So the aisle, you know, the aisle, me feel the aisle. Me feel the aisle. You never get coconut aisle. You never get coconut aisle. I know coconut aisle.
Okay.
So when the woman come tomorrow, we check her aisle. Me like how this set up, you know, we could get some plant now. We have to get some plant now. We got to get put. We could get some plant on the side of the food now.
Oh, there no man.
Oh yeah, the cooking now, chef. Come deal with the thing, man.
Yeah. Cook. My chef.
Yeah, chef, so you have to buy the plant. So at some point when I go make some
Now
soup.
buy egg.
Yeah, we have to get some
Now buy
egg,
egg again.
egg too. How much for your mango then, miss? 300. A lady sell me for $1 because she did like my shirt. 100 she said she loved the color. You see her when she come up close to it and she say, yo, Let me give you this, me lighten up our day, me just makes you feel good. You go to church, right? What church you go? What church you go? What church you go?
I go to Church of God.
And the same church me go, so you know, so we can't deal with expensive thing and the same thing we are defend. Me and you.
That you're saying.
Me and you is one.
But guess what now? There's
Unity
a
between
barrier
us. Can I go buy plant too? Me I go buy
and the
planting. I go buy planting. I go buy mango. God deal with we because we can make deals together.
You buy everything.
You see me I go buy things from you. So me I go pay 200 for this. And we go pay how much for the planting? $100. We're going to pay the right price for this. So we're going to buy this, this.
Not at 200.
So you're not giving me no discount whatsoever.
And not on mango.
But you're going to give me discount somewhere else, 150.
Somewhere else.
150 for the plant then.
100 for one.
You're going to give me for 100. 200 she did say, but she cut it to 100 now. So you're not giving me no discount.
Okay, 2 mango 500. That's the best we can do. 250. 100 for one plant.
Your normal price is 200?
No, 100 or 130, 150 depending on the size.
But you cut it down to 100 for me. All right, thank you. Can we get 3 plantains then? 3? Yes. 4. So we're going to fry up for breakfast, right?
Yeah, I'm going to put everything in a bag when I'm through.
Okay, thank you so much. That's all I need. Hey, you know, so when you cut this up, it's nice chicken. Chicken. Curry chicken with green pepper.
Oh, but that's ready to wrap one.
Why, you know, I'm going to go back to Manchester and because we get everything for free down there, so. Would you want anything more? So do you buy your food, do you?
Cook curry chicken, yeah, sweet pepper, whatever we can get. This hot pepper or something.
We run out of pepper already?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Look at the big breadfruit, we're not going to roast something. Hey. Where else dads you are going? Yes, man. Where you come from? Where you come from?
Right now, Westmoreland.
Where's your son? Are you have the big breadfruit then? Are you this?
Yeah.
How much for that?
$3.50 for them.
For 2 of them?
Yeah, 8 of them.
Good. This is roastable, right? Ready for roasting. Well, look at all the big one. Let me go see it. Are you them?
No, the one that from the bridge and then God become a man.
Yo, look at them breadfruit here. Yo. Look here.
That one nice.
But the one you're roastable where, so? That one here, so?
That can roast.
This right here, so?
Yeah,
that's ready for roast. And him say a $3.50 for 2 of them. I'll give you 3. You cool? Beat soldier. Right. You see how when I work out and come back down, man, me and him had it you know. When my security guard, I'm going to lick him down on the floor. Wait till my work out and him train me. I'm going hold him, you see?
Yeah.
I hold him down, you know.
Hold on, him going down.
That's what.
Till
I'm going to go box him up. Yeah.
That boy there, I'm mine.
cutting board of mine.
Keep it, man. I you that.
You're chefing, man.
Him asleep. Him not do no work today. So how come you never sleep? How come you not sleep?
Who not sleep? Who not sleep?
You not sleep?
You see a crop this?
Him go home
Who allow
and
no crop? You sleep, man. You're the man that sleep and make tell. You sleep, come on. Why tell me can't sleep?
Tell him to cut off the music card.
Why tell me sleep on night show, man? I can do us off to man.
If you watch out with the high blood pressure, you know, you're a soldier, but... Okay.
You get good sleep, though.
I'm film now walking.
You get good sleep, you walk with them. Here in our bag, then, that's what I'm doing. Excuse me, come on.
There is a lady in here called Nad.
Yeah.
Nadisha, I'm gonna bring breadfruit for you. I brought breadfruit for you.
Look here. What's that?
I'm gonna sleep all day.
Wow.
I'm buy me just make this cutting board. I'm buy the
back you.
Beauty 21.
Me back you.
I'm ready to go take it.
Me back you.
Don't that.
I forget the chef him thing, man.
If he take it up, you lock him up.
Him earn it.
You go have to take up with the lock up. Oh, hang on, find it on top.
You alright?
Who want to put on him? Back.
Bring a glass.
Go on, glass.
Yeah.
You don't have glass link on that night.
Oh no, I mean, you know, me never said that. I told me they want to pour it out. I told me want to pour it out for show the people them.
Oh, I want. Man, that's trying to. It's that glass. But this other glass is what now? But you just want to put the show people. That's a okay glass.
No, cut your finger, you know. Real countryman.
You know what I think? Are you lady?
But I use that. That I use.
Alright, pour him another glass now.
Want to buy a glass? One pretty boy, straw.
Use the bite,
You want to keep a book bag with them something?
No, no, just put knife and mash up on the fire and mash it down. Alright.
This is the bin there. You can't turn over and throw the coconut something over there.
Aye.
Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life, what's that?
Have the glass down like that.
Good life.
Give thanks to the world. Blessings. We drink this quote in the name of good Jamaica. Jamaica Good Life. Blessings to the creation. Nice.
Nice.
Lovely.
Special water that bath.
That's the only water by the heart.
So we drink it in the rum goes straight to your heart.
More in there?
More there, more there? I'm going to water, man. A pint and
A pint, I'm more
almost pint and a half.
This goes out to all the women them in Jamaica who keep it real. I could pour out like coconut for the ancestors then.
One spoon you put on there.
I'll give my American spoon.
Yeah, man.
My coconut spoon.
Put on next one.
Don't be too.
No, just cut on next spoon in case.
No, I want a spoon. Take a spoon and bag.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal of coconut sauce.
Crepe out, every crepe out, spring when we eat it.
Keep thanks.
Enjoy your meal of coconut.
I appreciate you guys, man.
Sorry, come on.
Jamaica Good Life we say, you know.
Straight up.
Jamaica Good Life, yes. You see me? So don't come talk to me about them I run from Jamaica.
Yo, but talk to me about that.
Yeah, but I'm Jamaica man, the good life, for the sunlight, and to help people, so you know, I help them stay away. Yeah, the ice. That come to Jamaica from stay and the roads back. The youth will find the roads and stop while we're cooking this. That we are talking about good life. See me? Yeah. We need a lot of counseling, a lot of help. And the black brothers all around from Jamaica can help, but we have to come together. Yeah, and have a meeting. So we all do this with the West shoot them, the East shoot them and get this. Get them straightened up. Who study, who go to school, who back at school, because we can't have the life around. Good life is here. Eat up, brother.
See there. Good life is right here. Enjoy the coconut, living life, enjoy yourself. Protect the Jamaica.
Yeah, Mr. Chef, I will look after that there now.
Curry chicken back.
I want it straight and hold it steady.
Curry chicken back on, Mr. Chef.
This will zoom in on
Alright.
You see that thing here, sir? If you
Lion,
put it front and
curry
forward.
chicken.
See that little bit here, sir?
Pass the cover.
See
Make
it
the
zoom
pot
out.
cover.
Forward, backward.
No, you can't work with the camera today. I cook you want to cook.
No, so.
What you gonna do?
Mango?
Bolognese.
No, man.
You're not gonna win.
Alright. Talk to him about the thing, alright? Me come back here 10 minutes.
10,
Yeah.
9, alright. Yes, Mr. Chef, seriously, curry chicken back on. I know curry chicken back here.
Curry chicken, daddy.
Curry chicken.
Chef tired, man, that's right.
Well, save us my time. Driver tired too, but you don't know. I go on work.
Doesn't have good pipe in the kitchen.
Type in a bucket. No way.
Yeah, everything I have to not say.
It is good.
It's not anybody here.
No, that.
Anybody here.
Yeah, so the chef, I want to talk about carrot.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Some carrot, you know? What you do?
Eh?
What you do?
Well, me, look how you do. What I record Jamaica Good Life, I say.
Yeah, man, that's Jamaica Good Life.
Another wash pot. You mean? Show them what you wash pot of Jamaica you're not. You mean? Yeah. Jamaica Good Life, I say.
Yes, Mr. Burger, Jamaica Good Life.
Yes, man. Good life. Good
Housekeeper turned chef,
What
yeah?
you mean?
Alright.
Big up yourself. How about you?
I have to take care of my place, yeah?
I'm turning idiot now this. I don't know.
That's how we use the knife, you know?
You're not nasty, yeah. Style.
I'm a chef.
Style. Alright, Mr. Chef.
Chef.
Yeah. You know, some of my dynasty, I work that can be there for the flight, you know.
Yeah, man.
Straight at work.
That's how we go, man. So garlic me I do with you now.
That is garlic, you
No
know.
man, you have to put your garlic in your food in a Jamaican style, you know?
See that?
Run with duppy.
Alright. Garlic run it up, eh?
Yeah, man.
When you know, man?
Yeah, man.
Ah.
Garlic run with duppy, man.
Garlic run it up.
Any food you put garlic in a duppy, now why you
I
garlic?
want to see you.
Flee.
Garlic, that. What you got time see it? Let everybody see it,
Yeah,
now,
man. Sit there, man. I get this,
garlic,
man.
garlic.
Good. It's a good infection fighter. See? Like an
Antibiotic. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Like that.
See that? So you use garlic and meat and
Yeah,
thing.
man. Use garlic, man. Season, man.
Cool.
Can't wrong.
They make a good life, you know.
Yeah, man.
They make a good life for you live, man. So, like,
check the phone. Camera the phone.
Yes, Daddy. Yeah, man.
You know,
No, I think that's it. You control the fridge.
Alright, chef, if
Okay.
Alright, chef, if
I want what you want.
all of them.
Look like say, Python,
Alright.
Trusty, camera, bust your hand.
Master God. What kind of me what, man?
You know what I'm saying? A Bruce Lee business shit up on
Yeah.
Put it on his face and ask him some questions.
Python.
Why me a talk
This
about
for the
this?
chef. Chef, here you go.
Thank
Wow, in
you.
a fine style. Watch out, watch out. Neighborhood, chef I get baby feeding.
This is how you cheat the chef.
This is good life.
This is how you cheat the chef. The chef make food prepare.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, good life, you know. Wait, coconut there, put the coconut in the fridge.
No, stay here.
Yeah, in the fridge.
You want to
You want to drink?
But
Why you never tell me to
you know better you go in the fridge and cool it.
Nice face.
Remember say I have scallion or something here?
Thanks.
So chef, what I gotta cut up now?
I put up the Irish potato.
You gotta dice up here.
Yeah, man.
You want plug there?
One the back of this.
Hello.
One the back of this.
Someone plug there. How you got one plug? Look at the plug.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, man.
You know.
food nice when we done, you know.
Yeah, go let this man.
Alright.
When they fresh out.
Yeah. Every year you tell me you about the dog.
Oh, it's
Yeah, we get this one.
Alright, so we have done some rice.
Don't see the meat for someone. That's the rest of
Let's tell the chef what you do. You're a chef.
no problem.
You look nice, you know.
Yeah, man.
You really live the good life, you know.
Yeah, man, I season them, man, you know, everything. Garlic,
So you prep yourself.
everything is here. Everything
Alright,
is
man,
here.
we'll deal with you.
Hot pepper, everything
Alright,
is
so
here.
you got it. Good
man.
life. So nice. So I said to the people them now.
Well, Mr. say, I buy this curry chicken and I make cereal.
Yeah. Alright, me go for the light. See that? What you say now?
Yeah, man, I buy this curry chicken and I do this even now. So that's straight up. Make sure say it's seasoned ready. So when I start cook, I just cook me a cook. No joke. Hello?
So you slice up your chicken.
Yeah, man. Dice them up and make it nice and something to say, man. Not too big, not too small. Cause you know, say, when you heat the pan, you make a mash up if it's too small. You know?
So now how you prepare your pot?
I make the pot go on hot, as you can see.
So you're gonna use a lot of oil?
No. You don't have to. All you need oil to do is just to burn the curry, that's all. Otherwise, don't need nothing more. Don't need no oil, man. No greasy food for you. If you want greasy food, you go to Germany. You get shit stuff.
Yeah, let the butter roll first. Now what I said. Yeah.
You check the receipt.
Yeah, receipt not there.
Are you
And I can't
married?
last night, you know. And I can't last night, you know.
Yeah?
Yo.
Make you come here so with the camera.
Come on.
Alright, so as you can see, garlic, tenderize the chicken, making soft and nice. Understand? As you can see, we separate the everything. Some of this or some of this. So these are what is gonna go into a glass for it to finish cook. These are some gonna be like these. Not sweet pepper.
That's scallion.
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 Right? And the pepper. These are gonna go now. Give it the flavor and everything, and then when it cook down and everything, we add.
You put the curry burner in the curry burner now?
Not yet. We have to put hot.
Okay.
So you cook curry chicken too?
Yeah, man. Yo. No.
The one that count. So you put everything in there?
Yeah, man. Not everything. We put the things we want to inhale now. Right? Beautiful.
You need the curry?
Yes. But, now,
so you don't put the curry in the curry, the chicken and season it before you put
that's
them?
how we put the season pan in, man. You get everything, man. But me don't want to hang the pepper. So I take about the pepper first. You understand? Because I don't want to hang the pepper when I go, I can't wash my face.
I see what you're saying.
You understand?
Me usually have a big wooden spoon.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
For
Me kind of use my hand. It's a Jamaica style, you know, we're not really in the fashion thing. And that's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So watch me now.
Yeah. You know, usual like.
Yeah, man. But me have to see how me go on first and see how the chicken look.
Nice.
Man, me I do it in
a chicken back?
No, man, not chicken, man. I was just kidding. Not chicken back yet.
Well, I really appreciate you doing this for Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Alright. So this now. Can you see season everything in it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You get the essence out of it. Right now, normally we make it rest a little bit, you know? Just to get the flavor or something, you put it on and make it rest, maybe overnight or something. Marinate and call it.
Marinate. Oh, rest overnight.
Yeah, man, get essence out of everything. But normally me kind of tasting, see everything alright. But the curry alone now gonna make it the season up right.
So you wash your hand quick.
Yeah, man. Take out the curry and out of my finger and so. Although you don't have no nails still, but you still don't want to. You look like a madman on the road. When you go home. Yeah, give me a curry chicken anyway, you know?
Seasoning salt there.
Yes, this is the best all-purpose seasoning. Alright. Follow me go over the pot now.
Yeah.
Over the pot where you go?
Pot where I go?
Yeah, man. Where the oil? You can get the oil.
But I wish we did get the coconut oil still.
Yeah, man.
Because the oil will kill me.
Yeah, man. But we're not going to use much as we say because guess what?
So
it's just to burn the curry.
So make your pot hot?
Yeah, man. It's just to burn the curry.
So you put it in that?
Yeah.
I make it just to burn the curry.
Yeah, man.
So you have to burn some of the season too?
Yeah, man. Can get the essence out of it, you know?
And chef time. This is the wickedest chef in Jamaica. They call the man called Nick at Night.
Yeah.
A big restaurant and big hotel. Enough money must pay that your time. I'm the wickedest chef, you know. Run the sesame and Darcy, my lord. See it there? The king chef, man.
Yeah, man.
See him there?
Come
See him there? We could do it. Shift him up. Yes, chef. Almighty creation. Run it.
No joke, you know?
Joke business. Follow me. Joke business, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. You burn the curry.
Yeah, man. Burn it so you can get the essence out of it and everything.
Okay.
Because, you know, if you're not burning, you run the belly, you know. So curry can, you know. Understand? You run the belly.
Okay.
Smell it?
Great, man. Wonderful. The audience them love it.
What?
Fire bubble. What the fire level?
Yeah, man, the fire buck, man.
Buck.
Up and running. Beautiful.
So you burn it for how long?
Burn it like maybe a couple seconds, man, because it depends on the hot, the heat underneath it. Then that's why you don't want the curry get too dark. That give the chicken a dark color. I don't really like that. And if you burn, I know say acknowledge say burn, because you can smell it.
So as a chef, you know, like everything just burn up and...
No! The chicken supposed to, because if it burn too much, the chicken itself gonna get this in a really tender for me. You understand? Me need if it tender look pretty on the plate.
I see.
So me like it. Alright, so it's like this, man, me not waste nothing. So me just residue, me just throw it on it.
Give thanks. Work with you. I'm moving with you, man.
Me now cover it yet, I don't want him to kind of set spring little water by itself.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Alright?
sir.
cover it and simmer too much. I mean, I want to simmer yet. Want to pay? Yeah, man.
So we can take a break and go
Yeah,
check
man, we
them?
can take a yeah, man.
You know, the Jamaica Good Life.
That mess up is start looking because the one
I wait when I wait for food. So this is part of the good life and just sit down and wait?
Yeah, I'm reason about the food. I don't think I'll come in. So
Yeah, but now reason about that food. I go to work what we do.
What I need?
That's how we turn early. Yeah, wait up. Cut the sink, you see? Nod.
Go.
Nod. You see this one now? Get some water in one pot. Nice.
Yeah, big man.
Get some water in one pot.
You're talking. I did it only one time. You must have flipping idiot. I think I lot there.
I'm not sure.
You must not be the cheap people that never picking it.
No. I'm not picking the big boy.
Now pull up the sink here, ready?
Yes, big boy.
Okay,
14.
Joy in the house.
Come on, let's talk about this one. See?
Joy in the house.
Something black right there, sir.
You see, look how stupid it is. Look, you see, come. So if you go all the way around, so, the man will be there from there.
So something black, so
So did they pull that vein right there, so?
yes, sir.
And push up the thing in it from there, so?
Yes, sir, clear enough.
All right over here, so.
Someone was a black.
So if you put the plastic through here, so it might clear the elbow right there, so. I don't think upon the main it black. I think at the corner.
You can bust this for me, daddy.
Yeah.
Black pipe and black. Right now, I tea there right there, sir.
Stupid tea was start out and put this up.
Right there.
Stupid tea.
Where's our big old idiot tea? I wasn't.
And the tea block it up.
Tea curved it and it can't go nowhere.
This should have a separate pipe.
What's that one? A stupid tea.
Yeah.
Damn full tea.
A tea that can't tell.
Right, that's
nothing.
The tea you can't drink my
So,
own.
and a stupid soup.
No, stupid tea.
You don't know what's up in my head. I'm not here.
What's that man do?
Not here.
So you know what? You know what the mojo man do? Tomorrow we show.
Man,
Good
more you
life,
laugh,
joke the man up.
the more you laugh, man, you have goal for expanding.
Look like you're frightened, you know.
Hi.
Always frightened. She always frightened.
Yeah, come here, I'm going. You believe so? What's I tell a piece of the hand for?
The whole day, a clean pipe, cause you just a
It's
throw
my
food in a
house.
pipe. You think say,
I am just a tenant.
you must take care of this
You
thing.
take care of it.
Look here. Where you strainer there?
You don't have none.
Where for buy a strainer for you? So every day you want, well, I don't know how it works, you know. He pack up, I don't know. Can you put rice, everything in the damn thing?
Eh?
Oh, you good? You good?
Yeah, man. That's a hard. Paper ya. A fire.
Well, what in here, Nick?
And not back up this thing.
Alright, so this is the white rice.
So how you prepare your rice specially?
Alright,
Give
you
me
want
that
one
trick.
now. This now,
You mix it up and make it boil, because people just make it sit down, you know.
well, we have to mix up it so the bottom not stick.
Yeah.
Right? So when I put in here, you have to mix it a little bit first.
So what's your ratio of rice to,
Well, me not really measure it. That's me a chef.
okay. But if someone who's not as good as you, how do you help them?
Well, actually, they say you must have like the water 1 inch over the rice. So whenever you see you have more rice than water, then you must say it is a problem. So the water must be like a bit over the rice, like this. Right? Just an inch or so.
So you know to put this in your curry chicken yet?
Not yet. As you can see, these will have to cook with it down. And these are harder and give it the color. If you put these like the early stage, then they're all gone, mashed and all that. You just have to give it the color.
So you leave it to
You
last.
give it the last.
Add some more water to it.
Yes.
To cook it down.
Yes.
So you have sweet sop here, sour sop.
Yeah, sour sop, man.
And I know it's good for cancer.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
I get a lot of these.
Yeah.
And we got some avocado and some mango.
Yeah.
You know we got some good price on the mango.
Yeah, we did.
We did a good.
We negotiated well. Yeah, very good.
I see you have bread here in your kitchen.
Yeah.
And what else do you have in the refrigerator? You got some chicken.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. And some butter. It's a nice fridge you have here. Love and Valentine. All right. Oh, you got a lot of beer in here.
Yeah.
You got some true juice and water and some more beers. Yeah. Okay.
This is the curry chicken.
Whoa, chef, you know, I got you pot.
Thank you, man.
Watch the
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Watch the stove
Yeah, man.
handle. Make sure they're not on. The gas is not on.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
Mangoes look really good. Avocado look good. Oh, my favorite right here.
Put in these now.
My favorite.
What's that,
Guava
chef?
jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna put in these now, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put in these.
So you put this in here.
Yeah.
Curry chicken. And that.
No.
So curry chicken done.
Actually.
You know, say for fly some 2 plant on the side, it'll be nice.
No, sir. No, you're right. Maybe boil it.
No, you know, when we eat food, we fry 2 plant too. I'll put 2 plant on the side.
No, you want
You want to fry?
You want pan for your rice?
On the side.
Yeah, man. Fry.
No problem, Daddy.
Chef, go all the way now. Don't stop with the cuisine, you know.
No, man.
Don't get lazy, you know. A lazy chef is the worst chef in the world. Cause food must taste a certain way and look a certain way. People see them say that chef you're wicked, you see.
Yeah,
Him never hold nothing back. You see how when me cook too, you know. Me slice mango and put it on my plate, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me I love my ginger chicken, you know. My ginger chicken dangerous, you know.
Yeah.
When people come and get my curry goat, them still talk about it at them wedding now. When no man say I do, the man say, you know, the curry goat around the cooking now, but. I'm famous man, I go cook for you one day and say, yo, that right? Yo. Me have to cook, what do you mean?
Remember the waters and the line is stagnant. Thing. So, you know, the king goes straight up the wash tap with fresh water.
Go with the store, come on.
You guys are,
The right left now.
you guys are violent.
What happens is that steel. What happens is that steel, the bend. Right left now. Bend over the pipe. Yeah, bend over the pipe and hold the pipe down. See your cock up? No, I'm not going to steel to them. See your cock up?
So that's a pleasant progress. We did good too. Got some flowers here. Hey Nad, you need some chicken, you know, you need some chicken around the yard.
What are you doing chicken? Give me more work, more me higher.
The chicken will eat the food that you throw out. Chef, what you say now?
Alright, so this you can get a nice picture. The color combination and stuff.
Ooh, let me get my light. Oh, chef, you're amazing. Ooh, baby. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Beautiful.
Looking amazing.
That's true, man.
Light it up. Yes, sir. So what you say I have to get ready for fire?
No, I'm going to get rid of that pipe. This.
You have to get rid of the pan?
The pipe, that one, this. Full pipe.
Oh, it a leak?
No, I don't leak it alone. I'm going to turn on pipe, what you're supposed to.
Well, the pressure hard, you know.
This pipe is not a whole pipe.
Today another day. I know say a lot of work for you do all the things that we are doing for you now, but give thanks.
Yeah, man, no problem.
You beautify the world and show Jamaica have a good life. I know what you're doing now. You put a little curry knife, you just say,
Yeah,
flavor curry.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Well, your pot over there, so you do.
So where's the rice?
The rice I make up.
Yeah, man.
And what we go on there, so now it's chapati.
So me on Friday, but you do something like
For the planting. Yeah, man. Yes. Jamaica Good Life. Tomorrow I'm gonna make it easy for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
We'll just do some mackerel and rice.
Yeah, man.
I want tomorrow Sunday.
Oh, tomorrow Saturday.
Tomorrow Sunday.
Tomorrow Saturday, Friday
Tomorrow
now.
Sunday.
Yeah, so to me. On a Friday today.
Tomorrow Sunday.
Yeah, Saturday.
Today Saturday?
Sunday. Yeah, what do you mean? Tomorrow Sunday, yo. What are you talking about?
Tomorrow we're Friday chicken.
No, you're talking
Rice and
Sunday,
peas.
Rice and peas.
And
But you
carrot.
have one, is it tomorrow? No, eyeglass there.
People have to help you work.
Fried chicken.
Help you work.
Yeah, shut up.
We'll get some egg. We'll get the egg. The fried egg.
Yeah, shut up.
And some milk.
Where peas?
We'll get some milk.
Where
And
peas?
fried chicken are different way.
Where peas then?
Let me just do peas one so.
Where peas then?
Remember so we have the breakfast man
Where peas then? Where peas then?
in our fridge. Sorry, camera.
Let's say we do it.
Oh, I can't get it. Nine. Nadisha. Nadisha.
Now this I know the man I call you, don't you talk, you do nothing all day, no. Nothing, you don't do nothing. Nothing no do all day, nothing. Nothing.
Yo. Left that broke pocket man down come here.
Him not do nothing all day. I just took
I'm
him
got the farmer and I chop two jelly.
That's it.
Alright.
Sleep.
Left the broke pocket man and come here.
Him smoke about 5 stick of weed.
I like.
I know him ready for bed.
Come on.
Walkless man.
Over the pro.
Walkless man. That.
Left the broke pocket boy and come. Let the man come.
Yeah.
Give me a can of put pieces of soap.
What peas again?
Coconut milk, everything in it.
Pepper
Pepper in it.
Bubble on it, bubble on it, bubble.
Trouble.
No, come on, kitchen and get miserable. Come on, kitchen and get miserable. Miserable. We're there the whole week I cook for you, make you feel good. And your,
Tomorrow's Sunday dinner.
and your husband happy. He never so happy yet. And when I cook for you, and you, when you go cook for we?
No. I have chef. The chef is here.
You see when I say chef?
Me know.
The chef is
Me
here.
know the chef there.
Right on. Cook the whole I eat. Yeah, cook the whole I eat. No, but yeah, no, not put the rest of the you can put the cooked peas in the freezer.
Me a chef, me a personal chef.
Right on.
Right now, I want to get my documents so I can sign them out. Contract. Show me saying time I done this, you can get me any job, any organization. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I pray that one of the
Thank God. Without this,
You see me? What?
so I'm not make money for kitchen and bed.
I'm not coming in bed.
When you come in there one day, I'm going to down. This is how they have a whole lot of money. When you post it, what? But what is it? What is it? What are they? What are they? What are they? How many so many?
So, when did I do the body bed?
No. Nobody I say,
No.
I'm going to here tomorrow. So I said, like, how do you want another day? I'm going to let my door open in Gary.
Open your bomb. Don't put you one for your
So, I'm going to go walk him up and then.
You put more on for your
I did to the arena.
And go to bed and
Bunny is a little gangster, you know, him quiet, but he's a gangster.
Bunny a gangster?
Let's see it, you know. So when I come home, he can't come in through there. Remember call him and remember talk to him.
It tells the bunny work different, you know. So every time I never put the bunny back home, you know.
And tomorrow night, how will you make you
Now
work?
when tomorrow, now that make you worse. Anytime you have with you worse.
Mikayado.
Right, you have a plan.
Hey, soldier, I'm gonna get some stuff for you.
So we can use the frying pan. Frying pan is here. One big frying pan is here. Nick, tomorrow when you fry the bread, put something different from here. Here, Nicholas. Nicholas, here's the frying pan. Nicholas.
The frying him out. She's frying him on the right now.
Because I'm not going to let him attack you.
I'm going to fire start here now, sure. Alright, Sandra, no pizza soda. Put in every day, next time I do it. Alright, pizza soda start. Pizza soda. So you can't start cook tomorrow, can't today now.
You know, so we shut off the whole world now.
How much time now?
Time now 5:07.
5:07.
So you want to go pay and get
No,
money
man.
and then come back and eat?
No, man, I can't finish dinner, I got work tonight, you know.
Okay.
I'm dinner, I go straight to work with me tonight, you know.
You can afternoon I go up till 10 to 7.
7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, the shift starts, I'm going to count Nick. I'm going to count.
Nick now go to 9 o'clock.
See, let me show you something.
Now put your chef knife in the oil, hot oil, crazy.
Let me show you something. Let me show you something. The same time you see me up on my yard, nobody care that. I'm a big man.
No, but it's not, yo, she said something I stop talking to me, I listen to you what you are saying, you know. That you say, then I catch it up on your own. I'm not going to come to you. I'm looking for that you find. I can't get on the channel.
You come up to me 9 o'clock.
Did
you say come to me 9 o'clock?
Come to 9 o'clock.
Alright, tomorrow you come to me yard.
Come to 9 o'clock. How much time go to 7:30?
Yeah.
7 o'clock.
7:30.
No man, 7 o'clock. Sunday man.
Big man, yeah, you may say, any end up come to me, no come to me in yard the morning, come in and pop here.
What on, is that not check?
Of course I check.
You go down over now. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7
I'm not
o'clock.
sure.
Just tell the man say 9 o'clock.
No, this is it's funny to go home, I can't tell you.
You be just the man say me came up and you say 9, you say 9
I was
o'clock.
just joking.
And the man confirms I must come pick up 9 o'clock, so the argument done.
Yes, I joke. We can't go say that.
The argument done?
We can't go if you do it no more.
The argument done right, that's all, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock the man says. So, me have to make sure I pick up 9 o'clock.
Me want to work on my phone, please.
Sorry.
Sorry. Only for far growing.
Sorry.
One day I'll pass.
Alright, you want me to clean up for you? Sorry. You finished, son? Salt, seasoning. Oh, I like a curry in this part. Mad.
Yes, Rastafari and I.
Hot pepper. Let me clean up because you know like what the man put camera from the man? Come on, just sit down.
So you're ready for the visual?
Ready to go show? I can't butter.
So we're good then?
Yeah, man.
I think something tonight now. Oh.
I'll play some domino.
Right, I'm going to go to the domino youth. I'm going to go to the domino on phone.
One of paper. That's my table.
Okay, what's that?
That is all simple, that is it.
Plant that are fry, yeah? Plant.
A country come from.
Yeah, that's a curry.
Town you come from.
Yeah, curry. That's a curry chicken. Yeah? It's a fry plantain.
Show them the rice, Good life. You make
See
it
that? That's a rice in a pot, you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Coconut milk. No water, coconut milk.
Where is it to me? That's what I want.
Yeah, man.
Coconut milk for
And
this.
see that man there? The chef
I
Dan.
know, I walk here.
The chef Dan. Yeah?
But if him get famous, I like him have to work.
Then that man.
If the people go a big time restaurant, you have to work. I send your resume and your video and everything. Like them no say, I do the thing right.
Yeah, man.
But if you go for slow motion now, we can't do it on the camera right now.
Dan,
No. But the light good enough, good me I don't know how the Almighty me buy everything I need to check.
Yeah, I want to.
The Jamaican pipe a drip. Every time we see this, the whole life. See? Where you go?
Down by the garbage bin by the main road.
That's all the garbage you go?
They got me out.
Okay. Come back quick, cause we have work for them.
Yeah, much washi.
Yeah.
You know, Andy?
What is that?
You look at Junior, we cleared that while ago. At 5,000, I work that to them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The man who that charge him 5
Or more. Because you see, the fuel when come out of the line alone is enough to charge 5,000 a pack.
Wow.
Well, you know, this is, I mean, I'm a good go.
So you like the knife?
Yeah, man, I like that, man. Thank you.
I'm a good go. Respect. Doing things like that.
Yeah,
Anything
man.
after the time.
Give thanks. So the pot I deal with the pot nice. Jamaica Good Life, we say. Love it. Enjoy yourself, yeah, so. Living life, yeah, man. I mean, cook good food and live your house. What you say, you hungry?
I'm hungry.
You know, do nothing to right.
Oh, that's nothing.
Why you not make some lemonade? Make some lemonade now.
I can't.
But you can't make
Oh, you
lemonade.
mix them up. Where next chef? Where next man there?
You not do nothing right. Call him, man. I'll be here, ready for going to be here, you know. Sit down.
No, you can't make some drinks, man. So we buy a little lime and sugar. Come on, come. Come.
The diabetic man drinks them, you don't want to taste it.
Come.
Come.
You don't want to diabetic drink. Burn fire for sugar, with a hand of sugar and salt.
You say no hunger, sugar and salt.
No, sugar and salt. All
So
right.
I'm going to drink the
Let me
juice.
see how we go now. Let me see how we go. Mix now with them jug there.
What you gonna mix? What you gonna do with the juice?
Mixing on this, yeah. Mixing on this.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, see the pot there. You're the one
Let me
that
see.
more looking
Let me see.
pot.
Mixing on this, yeah.
Well, there's a full of oil.
I mean, that's how I'm going to this one.
I'm gonna make sure I put enough one I can't drink half.
So let me ask you, the big man. So the electricity up there doesn't work?
This one. No, not there.
Because they don't want to?
Who don't want
Oh, the light, okay.
what Randy was found?
Where the hardware store there?
Look here.
Ready there, yes.
We're going to just get some extension cord with some bulb. That's it. We're not going to change nothing. We're not mess up nothing.
How much extension card you have?
A joke. We want to have light to shine on them when we shine on them.
Perfect.
We don't know darkness, no light we know, you know. It's the mirror and the lamp, yeah. You see the little shape beside.
Come here, there.
See the lamp with the back.
No. Hold on. Come here, there.
Careful.
Come here, there. Be careful, man.
Put the light on Mary.
Come
Come here, Joseph. Come here, Joseph. I'll see Abraham.
See Abraham, yeah.
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 Oh, yeah, come on. Say that about Mary. Be careful, man. Be careful. That one is pipe water, man.
You look good, man. Turn on the light on the food. Alright, me rest now. Food time, share out, we done. The good food on the good step right above me on the good life.
Look here, I hold you. See him there now, call him.
What is for the good life now?
Good life.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean it for good life?
On the good step. Yes, sir. Just hold it over this. Sir. God bless this food that Nick and the family prepare. Jamaica, this is the good life. Jamaica, this is the good life. Avocado, curry chicken, rice, plantain. You see me? So I want to come home and stop afraid of Jamaica, talk about crime and now come back to live. You see? This is what I live, you know? And see that? Yeah? Good life. Everything is easy. Everything nice. Give thanks.